Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Nana.
Martin Afishapa.
Afen komesa ye ho. Afese na mampenyi President Mahama. Onyame asanso ayeno adombiem. Ama Ghana fo ayenem wa. Ama nasanso onya akwenya abesom oman Ghana sompa. Afa oman no afri tibia boni
obenya kwan na onya akwenya
obenya kwan abi yo oman na afri tibia boni ne ahokyere ayewo mu imu e dia besi bebia ekro ti katremada bodwe mu na mojadi emu afusa ni nkwande dia beka se eye obade dia kye amamu no na enkoye na me ya hwede o mampenye kufu adode na pamfo so beye
Sami register asem yi eto sen
Nana me da se they did kind of yantia se sa voters register ho asem wa abeto ho no eye Ghana asem enye NDC MPP party sem obi ka se yenomo a ye ka se new register EC epese wo ye no eni nyina so bia anti yempene so no ye nyina ye NDC for na NDC for na aboye pa se ye oppose the new register the background ida se onte de ekoso na se ana se boapa ye kwanso no waye na adwen se obetum futuro agu Ghana fo ani na wakaseti ya Ghana for because in actual fact no e atem di se bo bekasa Ghana ha obi are na adwen obi atimi dwen man hu timi si agina ye nana asemi ba ye Center for Democratic Development ACDD omakabi anana na meboa omo se new register jimensa ne EC4 person omo ye no omo mpene so reasons are EC4 dia ba no ento asumu emra ye wo se ye de be ye register no esua na se ye pepre ye ho se ye be ye no preka e de basabasa ye ebeba CDD4 omonye NDC de toso biom Imani Africa omaba abonten se omoso omatena se atie afanu ni nyina omo free se register fofora EC person wo ye no afi we mu no emfaso obi andi so nanka EC twenye eye no next year mum after say ye wie Ghana card registration any census enka beboa me nya register ehote pa na save o my Ghana sika Imani omonye NDC ya nkasa ye nua Professor Jampo ono so asemi wa beka bi na me ye sure say wate ono so say new register EC4 person omoye na dabraka emre na aka to 2020 election e yemretiawa se ye kase ye beye ne disia e de asemeba nti ono so mfo aso menua se mese me ka omo maka register hu asembia ade be chia. So this is not the usual MPP NDC football. This is about Ghana. It is about the next general election. Ye pese ya sumdue, ye pese ekọ kama ekọ totia basa ye bia nyeden ensi. Inti ye hu ni sa. Na enne na me kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm am wa hu sɛ senye sebi mpreduasa abato a EC aji mensa ne bosman asare da no yi pese omu wiem in 2020 ene chop wa sika nipa kakra bi pese omu dia enkasa register foforo we hu nkomo Ukraine se ke ye den ye di because nana asem ba kokro aniwa isifwa kase no na ye omu nyina so nti obo pese omo ye register eto aso semini nyina o career odi gunse ni ani na o career utimi se semini ni nyina so bia ento aso just like the CDD is saying Imani is saying and so on na my emfa na mako na na die nti na isifwa so omo be ye register omo se omo ye new register because your current system no enye nipa eto abanyina na etumi verify omo biometrically So omo press statement omo ye no last time omo use district assembly elections a year no 2019 na what trick akire bi atwa mi e na de ye mfanto ho na asem omo akasa pa omo num kan ye ne se ye to saba no nipa 5.4 million and etumi use biometric e de to aba omo use BVD system no e de to aba nipa 5.4 million na nipa 34,000 omo de omo ntimi use biometric afidie no because omo ye nkrofo a omo fingerprints no e ho aba asem nti yesi omo ye face only nti omo no ye hwe omo card ni omo mfonyini ya hwe omo din e wo register mu ni omo mfonyini ya hwe e de omo card ne fa machine ne so a na omo picture beto so omo de yetimi ye omo manual verification omo de to aba ti sa ni 34,000 nti e wo se omo ye new register and I'm submitting to you as I said no ento asumu yes no ento asumu
ento wo wasumu ana
enya me masum ento asumu because se nipa 5.4 million etimi use biometric afidie ne to aba na 34,000 pen entimi use dia na e kire se current system yi no e bo adwuma pa because e was success rate efficiency rate of 99.4%. Nipa 5.4 million no se sia 99.4%. 34,000 no man timi amfa afidie mu no e 0.6% pe nana wiase mu ha ma check it and you can check infidie bia ni wa yere to aba e was success rate of 99.4%. Ghana system we are one of the best and the envy of the world. A system a boy juma kama e wote e dim 99.4% enya de ketua because nana odoma nkoma nyankopon bo wiase afidie bia ni wa onipa da sani aya aye adwuma 100%. It is a we afidie a isifu ankasa figures stress aye adwuma 99.4% dia adenti na wose ye twetwe koye foforo e asem sebe nana ne ani kromu a ye beto abai isifu ye nsentrofo nhyiemu central bisa is impenyufo se register ya ye de koto abai ehote ana ehonte edimu ana enimu isifo numu asem omo se ehote the register is very credible ama ye de ato aba assembly members in pimunsia 6,000 unit committee members omo ko 35,000 ye de yi omo ye nya problem bia with the register or the devices or the system observers report nyina se de bia koso kama etinya je bia mai tidi ente ne yanto system a efficiency rate of 99.4 almost say oh Ghana ha no you need 50 plus 1 to win na sa ni 34,000 na fidie na ntimi an verify omo no edoso na 2008 kwa no bi we ni about with about 40 something thousand votes nti eno ne pese ye firi ho ne ye no verification no votes nti ye de another feature be ka ho eno ye facial recognition na saafo no a omo ye ntimi use fingerprint verification for them no ye use facial recognition on them na sa se mo so ye hurudu rather sem because number one there is no mischief that needs to be cured relative to nipa omo ntimi ye ntimi verify omo use their fingerprint enu nti ye use manual verification no etinya je bia ni ho enye problem e wo Ghana ha na isifu aka so omo be solve because yes abato emra ne nhyehyeye no ye hu say biometric infidie no entimi work 100% ene ye de semra ni mu say omu fi omu di ni adwuma omu yenti biometric entimi verify omu fingerprint no omu de ye nya manual verification nya den ema omu na me bato utie me enti eno no e wo mra ni mu it is legal, it has been provided for by the law enti amra and until 2016, you to about Mampenye Kufuado, every by 900,000 votes, almost 1 million. NDC want to say, ye dear chinye about your manual verification. Not everybody who voted in that election voted through biometric. Yeah, manual. But because it was legal, everybody accepted it. It has never been in contention. And where your problem? na waka say we nti wo to register register nipa over 50 million a collect your mobile data wo to atwene na wa boka kwa ye foforo we your reason. Is it even a problem? And the BS system now also what they ban facial recognition. Check, I have a report here. US abroad mem or mine na yen hwehwemu e the facial recognition technology no kwa na nya papa. And now we are seeing now a move away from facial recognition technology. Yes, let me forward it to you. This is a story published by the BBC. BBC 4 publishing a survey done by the United States of America. I would have brought a hard copy, but this is a sort of forward. I know my publisher. Say, this is the title: Facial recognition fails on race. Government study says. It is the facial recognition. So we are the patuntum and now free Asia and young one you may. And now US approach the security services are discarding the technology. In fact, on blacks, it has been proven by research say an efficacy rate of 80%. Now I'm forwarding you this survey. Ubi se me boa no the contrary evidence I had aba me de me tu mira me yede me chirisie. Enti say your fingerprint system and we are one of the most reliable in the world, proven by research. Now no an efficiency rate of 99.4%. Now we say 0.6 now echinyaje bi anywhere any problem no person will solve. Now there now the best solve now your facial recognition and no boy adwuma 80%. I mean are you not confused? How do you use at an efficiency 80% to correct at an efficiency 99.4? It's your. In any case, no, manual verification is not legal. There is nothing wrong with it. There is no contention. So what is the issue? Then now, almost the same argument. No, almost BVR in Fidia ya de trading any BVD na ya de twaba no. Any software na won Fidia no so na ya dada. Na na me sure what is asem no. Omo use brofo bi kwa say you obsolete. Em say brofo no mo ka no man ka san tiase. Because nana say bibia you obsolete. E kire say wo ya ho hwe enye yie ya to twene. So you cannot say bibia you obsolete. Yet 2019 year no what say wa ka 2 million Ghana cedis e dey repair the same mfidie e dey registration. Actually nipa 1.2 million din between 17 June to 7 July 20 days. What train nipa 1.2 million din with afidie I will say you obsolete. What be that? So now kai omo be limited registration 2019 no. Ye ka kire omo say online system no wo person use e be di omo hwama nya adwuma. Oh, you're independent. Oh, you're IT force be adwuma. Arguments omo ye ni they made it at the time. General Mosquito mo can ye do matem. Almost requires hey men sere. O time huna ye woma NDC nti. Cause na ye o EC chairperson ye utimi ka say NDC a threat to democracy. Ono te wono cha MPP full soldier. Tini aka sa. But omo call ye omo de call boss no. Day 1, day 2. We confuse ye see Ghana ha. Look at the tension it would have created. They went back to the offline BVR machines. Almost spending 2 million in repairing all of them. And within 20 days, they wrote Nipankwa 1.2 million din. Masa, if you didn't enye papa masa, 1.2 million people registered in 20 days. And your question is, if you didn't say ya, Monkrano. Now in BB 2017, ye mami Jimensa call parliament. Ose san fidie na ye de trading de to abane software na ye dada. Na parliament man sika no mfanye ni ye parliament man sika 171 million Ghana cedis. When you sika no amfansi si fidie no 2017. 2018 osaso call mrahye bedwamu biem. Say ye man sika for no mfansi sie fidie no ene software no in the data center. Ye twa 202 million man no. When you su na mfidie ni ntimi nkura na akwaje hu sika ena wo hu sika wie ye enye wo dia ye se fa kura mfidie o maye japade a yaboka ye no wo se menye because of person mfidie ni gu wo sei na 2020 wo de no abaye justification say mo ma me kwa na me ko ye new register. So what is the point here? The point here is say if the BVD the BVRs, the software na dada STL let omo dia mo ankasa code 2 in their latest press conference and they say they can upgrade it, upgradable. They can maintain it or they can buy new ones. And you're waiting to see a new register. Data center no ave almost omu data center e ho ehye dodo. Na na me ye sure what is our reason no. Awuro ho e ho ehye. No man your data center no e be crash. Hwe sa asre same way. Ti na ye wo dem hey. Na AC nya adwuma ye se cooling system nya adwuma na ha ehye. ye beto studio we ni mu nyema ni mu data wo mu computer iso nyina to agu ni yakwa akoye studio foforo computers foforo aye data foforo because them wesh where your reason them wesh yenti be nya cooling system foforo nana. People have advised you say Ghana and Po data center here the best in Africa because of John Mahama. Ye the 47 million euros this year. Data center cooling system you can put a good cooling system there. Over so here for you can do the data center for and don't say data ya collected data. Na ya kese ni din or on a card ni biometric fingerprint ma collected data. Ain't change that copy me say na be wu. And don't say was here to train ya kwa for. Na ni bibi onyame bo nipa no. Akoda woni ma me yemu a boso mi nsia na ne biometric fingerprints na sati develop. Ye woni ba wiase no nya mfie nsia e develop awie. Copy me say be wu ansesa. Inti wiase afa na nyina obi ani wa. Or maybe any I'm challenging the EC to name one country. What collected biometrics twice. Ebin see that. I just say Gmens and one also baby. So data center sonya yetimi CC ni nyase be register. And you can say, oh dear, yan fan impose afidie nye e wose to go. Software nye yan tontwene. Data center nye yan tontwene. Assuming without admitting. When na yan fidie nye register. Nana mesro. Na was MPP for yemi you know. When you are in Fidie and you register Nankasa, me register near data was I'm Fidie will. It is a woman to in Fidie no cry out to a gua. The data no you register near a strong con. So what on Fidie for Frokrana, you can migrate your data onto that new system. Nana. You can't win you be so almost say possible and then possible. Almost statement in you can read it. Almost say possible to do that migration. But omunyan testing share say ebeye. Yes, eh. Na won testing share dia opre won akwen. Opre won akwen. Boss Manasare ne Bernard Avila. He say waje to me say migration ni de omo beye. But still you be new register because one person capture official details. That's the same way. Shifting cultivation. Omo ka way now they are to normal kofa fraba. Then you can say you be for fra. And no boy for chance say Yebeka said you were than Yebekra no. It's a new register. Now I know some boy. So same way you IPAC meeting 2nd December and a easy forecast. So we have to buy a whole new data solution system for a new system because maintaining the existing one is more expensive than doing a new one. And yes, so almost we internal experts ni external IT experts. Yes, and the moment you crata ni bi Gmens aseme de be mamo. Nana ye permit in the fie 3rd yensanka 4th yensanka 5th and you say the letter requesting for this reporter or mo ankasa so mo wono mo de be mayen. Nana be seen ne they have not given us a report. And yet 10th no my friend say ye procurement choose nipa for so me new register mo na me boy. Oma your imagine that they are not even ready to listen because there is no such IT expert at there. Onim de omodi aye basis say Omaka so maintain existing system na ne boy den chance e be procure new one. STL for quotation. STL for no maduma ba wie in 2018 omu ni hobiem nana. O use company ba ko pe quotation. Etimi dia no ye benchmark say STL for so mo repair afidie ba ko $5,000. Yes ye wo obi o so be ma ye mo 3,500 inti mo no ye. Why didn't you go for other quotations from other companies other than STL? Because you could have gotten cheaper quotations as well. Omon cannot create. 2019, you're waiting to fix CB at the elections. Then now they are not on China. Oh, register not quite bloated. Omo woody womb. That's the same way. When we Samaya Wako Bank, I go cash check it. Samai, you the biometric to Aba. So be a winner the deal will register more. He say emisata on Kai Hubio. Nana, who bet me the biometric Akotwaba. Say we'll register anymore. That is why we did a biometric register. Because then can na your photo album a dini picture nkwano. Obi a wuna ni din wo mu a, obi betimi de ni din akotoaba. But biometric the nam center for the ekra dance untino. Hey, obi a wuna wo don sakosi wo say ye wo a ebe reject you. So it is not a case. Then nana
Martin Same.
Oh, me the manu me born to for the Asia no.
Oh, 20 seconds.
Almost say access code. Oh, nana me sure just in 2
Same,
minutes.
oh, 20 seconds, Pacho.
I say afi crowd.
Same, don't go that urgent.
Oh, afi na wahumi.
20 seconds.
I na bro nya dia, umi bro nya dia kra wan fama. Me agege me so kakra. Anya ye kra dem ha me na misua. Me na me ye ka akiri wa. Ene so me nkwa na me NDC ni wa. Enti jeje me so kakra.
Ah. Anga utenya NDC.
Oh, Naza Wangaza will introduce him as a social commentator. He's a member of the NDC, but he's representing, himself. In the media, I'm here for MPP for you too. So, Mr. And but you me. Almost the access code because they are creating new regions. New regions. And police station, I was see creating new codes. Now, I'm new regions. And then so almost 2019. Yeah, talk about the straight assembly election. And then, and as new regions in your code. Because you create new register. Because the system can generate the codes. And at the here, about a polling station. What creating new region, polling station, society, constituency, society, there is no problem. Then, Nana, and one someone CDD, Akabi, Imani, Akabi, Professor Jampo Akabi, not still Jimen's as you won't see. Bible cracker, say, when you mean, when you're in a Yamay, Fata. Nana, Sammy, also we a new register. Procurement to cry in year. Only vendor. On sign contract. 2012 example, no more in 2012. After rejoin, no, I stakeholder consultations. Both legal committee and technical committee in 2011. Why procurement we assign a contract November 2011. Why procurement 2012? I don't see on this note, Nana. Why procurement BBI then? Why registration by May? Or certain March 24 by May no registration. Who the procurement kwa unwe? And then second procurement no to question on companies ne ko. And people are threatening to resign from procurement on moye and mama free information. Da ben na wo be wie. Now what training easy for? I'm a training officers now across the country. No most we training political parties. Yes, we are training agents now across the country. Ya kwa registration. Ya deduplication. Ya adjudication. And then ya provisional register. Ya final register. The ban of political parties by your campaign. It's a basa ya na rebe de ebe banana na me de manusi no.
Same mame fancy say ya na fe yen ko emra pacho. Same ye ntimi nya time ni nyina mfa ba. Meba ye baba round 2 pacho. Same ye baba round 2 there.
And Anaya, look, simple the year can say, people should not sell their conscience. Simple young fan say nana. I was here register. And until your man who quite my man for digger can say nana. Say yes, here register. Per DMA amount for the kill manum 280 billion. 280 billion per DM, and people are defending it. Regional Minister.
Sami Jamfi me da say Sami Jamfi ekasa de ma NDC amanyoko 0244
Peace FM 104.3 Good to meet